With construction steadily progressing, Phase 3 of Camp General George Moleta focuses on the completion of the camp marker, which will prominently display our family crest. This marker serves as a symbol of our heritage, vision, and dedication to the development of this project. Crafted with durability and elegance in mind, it will stand as a lasting landmark at the entrance of the camp, welcoming visitors and signifying the proud identity of our family. Landscaping and final touches. In addition to the marker, landscaping efforts continue to enhance the overall beauty and harmony of the camp's surroundings. The planted dwarf coconuts, gardens, and pathways are now taking shape, blending functionality with nature. Every element is carefully planned to create a serene and inviting atmosphere, making the camp not just a place for adventure but also for relaxation and appreciation of the environment. A neighbor's grand opening. Exciting developments are also happening in the community. Our neighbor and friend, Etek Chin, has officially opened POLEON'S Resto bar just across the street from the camp. This new establishment adds a vibrant social and dining hub to the area, providing a perfect spot for visitors and locals to unwind. Its opening marks another step in the growing development of this part of the province, creating more opportunities for tourism and leisure. Distinguished guests visit the camp. A significant highlight of this phase was the visit of prominent figures from the nearby municipality of Cortero. We had the honor of welcoming Mayor Tito Mayo, Vice Mayor Stephen Fantalega, and members of the Sandigan Bayan to Camp General George Moleta. Their visit signifies strong local government support and recognition of our efforts in building a landmark destination in the region. Discussions during their visit centered on the potential impact of the camp on ecotourism, community engagement, and economic opportunities for the surrounding areas. Moving forward, with Phase 3 nearing completion, Camp General George Moleta is shaping up to be more than just a campground. It is becoming a landmark of heritage, adventure, and community spirit. The progress so far has been nothing short of inspiring, and we look forward to the next steps in fully realizing this vision. As work at Camp General George Moleta progresses, ground development, grading, and leveling continue on the commercial portion of the camp. This phase ensures that the terrain is properly prepared for future structures, making the area more accessible, stable, and suitable for various business and recreational activities planned for the site. Simultaneously, we have begun the layout and construction of the garage and equipment depot, an essential facility for storing and maintaining our construction and farm equipment, including the newly purchased Cobelco mini excavator. This depot will serve as the central hub for tools, vehicles, and other machinery, ensuring they are securely housed and well-maintained for the camp's continuous operations. The garage will feature spacious parking bays for service vehicles and heavy equipment, secure storage areas for tools, fuel, and maintenance supplies, workstations for repairs and upkeep of equipment. With the continued development of both commercial and operational facilities, Camp General George Moleta is rapidly evolving into a fully functional, self-sustaining destination. These infrastructure improvements not only enhance efficiency but also lay the foundation for future expansion and long-term sustainability. As construction at Camp General George Moleta continues to gain momentum, several key projects are progressing simultaneously to enhance the camp's infrastructure and security. Garage and Equipment Depot. The garage and equipment depot are taking shape, providing a dedicated space for storing, maintaining, and servicing our machinery and vehicles. With the Kobelco mini excavator and other essential equipment in active use, having a secure and organized facility is crucial for efficiency and longevity. The structure will feature multiple parking bays for service vehicles and heavy equipment, secure storage units for tools, fuel, and spare parts, workstations for maintenance and minor repairs. This depot will serve as the camp's central operations hub, ensuring that equipment remains in peak condition for daily construction and future farm or recreational developments. Sliding gate and entrance construction. Alongside the depot, work is also progressing on the camp's main gate and sliding gate system. Designed for both security and convenience, the gate will be automated with an electric motor for easy access, remotely controlled for seamless operation, sturdy and weather-resistant, ensuring long-term durability. The addition of this modern entrance system strengthens the security and accessibility of the camp, marking another milestone in the development of Camp General George Moleta. Once completed, the gate will stand as a symbol of progress, welcoming guests while maintaining the privacy and protection of the site. With multiple projects moving forward at full speed, the camp's transformation is becoming more visible each day, reinforcing our vision of a well-structured, secure, and fully functional outdoor destination. The development of Camp General George Moleta has been a journey of vision, dedication, and perseverance, transforming what was once an untamed landscape into a fully functional, self-sustaining, and purpose-driven destination. With each completed phase, we have witnessed not just physical progress but also the realization of a dream, one that blends nature, heritage, adventure, and community into a singular, extraordinary place. From the moment construction crews, security personnel, and heavy equipment arrived, the camp has been a site of relentless activity and growth. The establishment of perimeter fences, temporary housing, and key infrastructure laid the groundwork for what would become a landmark project. The installation of essential amenities like the garage, equipment depot, and automated sliding gate has strengthened the camp's functionality, security, and long-term viability. One of the defining moments in the project was the completion and transfer of the Bahay Kubos to their final locations, an inspiring testament to the Filipino spirit of bayanihan. The camp is not just a place to visit, it is a place built by hands working together, a place that holds stories of hard work, camaraderie, and celebration. The daily routine of preparing and sharing food with the construction team created an atmosphere of unity and festivity, making each milestone even more meaningful. As the camp marker displaying our family crest is finalized, it stands as a symbol of honor, tradition, and legacy, permanently marking the significance of this place. The integration of dwarf coconut seedlings and thoughtful landscaping ensures that the camp will flourish not just as a recreational space but as a thriving ecosystem, blending sustainability with comfort. The completion of the POLEON'S Resto bar across the street by our neighbor Tech Chin further enhances the area, turning it into a bustling hub for both locals and visitors alike. Beyond its physical structures, Camp General George Moleta has also garnered recognition and support from local leaders. The visit from Mayor Tito Mayo, Vice Mayor Stephen Fantalega, and members of the Sandigan Bayan is a testament to the project's significance in the broader development of the region. Their presence underscores the potential of the camp to serve as a catalyst for ecotourism, economic growth, and community engagement, a place where people can reconnect with nature, history, and each other. Looking ahead, the camp will not just be a destination but an experience, one that offers adventure, relaxation, and a deep connection to the land and its history. With its strategic location, expanding facilities, and a strong foundation of values and vision, Camp General George Moleta is poised to become a premier outdoor and recreational site for families, adventurers, and nature lovers. This project is more than just bricks, mortar, and landscapes. It is a legacy, a tribute to the Moleta family, a testament to the strength of our heritage, and a promise to future generations that this place will continue to grow, inspire, and provide sanctuary for all who come to visit. With every step taken, from clearing the land to erecting the final structures, we are building more than just a camp. We are building a lasting legacy that will stand the test of time. Please follow me on my channel for more exciting videos. Many thanks for subscribing. Till next videos.